Today's video is so special because these lipsticks are such at an affordable price, which you cannot believe it. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to YouTube channel DC Good Life. If you're new here, hi, I am Deepa, professional makeup artist, educator and a content creator, and this channel is all about affordable beauty and everything glad. And guys, today's video is so special because these lipsticks are such at an affordable price, which you cannot believe it. And now let's quickly dive right into the video. These lipsticks are available in wide range, but I have selected 8 lipsticks out of that range. So total it comes to 16 lipsticks because each single lipstick has 2 lipsticks in it. So first thing first, let's talk about the outer packaging, inner packaging of these lipsticks, and then we will move on to the further swatches in the video. The name of the lipstick is 2-in-1 Karwa Chauth lipstick and it's a cardboard packaging, and you can see the image of lipstick on the box and as well as the shade name mentioned on the outer packaging. And now coming to this inner packaging, look at this guys. Look at the lipstick guys, and you can see manufacturing date, price and expiry date also mentioned on the inner packaging. And it's basically a dual lipstick and it comes in the gold packaging and it's in the bullet form. And now let's move on into the swatches.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So that was all about the hand swatches, and now let's talk about the application of the lipstick. This lipstick glides on super smoothly. The formula feels creamy at first, but it settles into a matte finish without drying your lips, which is honestly amazing. And the shade which I'm wearing is currently C9, which I absolutely love it. What about you? Also guys, do let me know which is your favorite shade from all the shades shown in the video. These lipsticks are highly pigmented and just one swipe will give you opaque coverage. Now this lipstick has a longevity of 4 to 5 hours and it's a creamy formula. And now you will definitely ask to me, Deepa, is it trans-proof? Well, I have an answer for you. I'll just sip of water here. You see, this is just slightly lipstick transfer. Also guys, if you eat any oily food, this lipstick will come out from here. So you need to touch off. Now if I talk about the fragrance, this lipstick doesn't have any weird fragrance. It's basically a standard fragrance which the Blue Heaven products has. Basically comfortable wearing all day. You can see how amazing it's looking. Now, if I talk about the shade range of this lipstick, the shade range is very amazing. You have nudes, you have pinks, you have browns, everything in this lipstick. Now, these lipsticks are water resistant. However, when it comes to the removal of lipsticks, so I have just sprayed here a makeup remover and have taken the tissue and just wiped off it, and you can see in the video how easily it is getting removed. And once the removal is done, you can see it's a slightly tint on my hands after the removal of the lipstick. Now coming to the final thoughts about these lipsticks, whether I recommend these lipsticks or not. So I definitely recommend this lipsticks because this retained for the amount 249 and currently it's on 50% discount on Nykaa, and these lipsticks are only available on Nykaa currently. The packaging is 10 on 10. If I rate the shade selection, it's 9 on 10. For formula, I will give 8.5 out of 10. And also these lipsticks makes me feel luxe, and to be honest, these are long lasting too than compared to my other creamy matte lipsticks. So overall, I really love this lipsticks. Do let me know which is your favorite shade among these lipsticks, and if you have tried these lipsticks, what is your opinion? Do let me know in the comment section. So guys, that was all about the swatches, review and everything about these lipsticks. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you found this video helpful, then do please consider subscribing to the channel and click on the bell icon so that every time I upload a video, you are notified. Other than that, have a wonderful day or an evening whenever you're watching this video, and I hope that you will join me in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.
Anyway